morning and thank you for joining us. Let's start today's technical analysis with the dollar-yen pair and recent events stirring the markets. Greg?
The dollar-yen pair has gained 0.3% in the last session. Stochastic has skyrocketed into overbought territory. Bitcoin has added 2.5% in the last session. The highs-lows indicator shifted sharply into positive territory. The price of gold has lost 1% in the last 3 sessions. The ultimate oscillator is receding into the negative zone. The price of crude oil has fallen 4.6% in the last 2 sessions. The CCI has collapsed into the negative zone.
Thank you for sharing with us. Now let's hear from our news department.
The oil market has rallied almost 40% in the last 2 months, pushing benchmarks to 9-month highs in a euphoric response to progress on COVID-19 vaccines. The dollar rose in thin trading as concerns about a coronavirus variant raging in Britain that has caused lockdowns and travel restrictions have dampened optimism about a new U.S. stimulus bill. Total investor inflows into cryptocurrency funds and products hit $5.6 billion so far this year, up more than 600% from 2019, according to the latest data from asset manager CoinShares.
Thank you. And now let's go through today's major economic events.
The Australian private sector credit will be released at 0:30 GMT, the Japanese BOJ core CPI at 500 GMT, the U.S. durable goods orders at 13:30 GMT, the U.S. durables excluding defense at 13:30 GMT, the Canadian GDP at 13:30 GMT, and the U.S. Michigan consumer sentiment at 1500 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join our next review for the latest news and events from the financial markets.